Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home.
Today, we are going to learn how to order food in a restaurant.
You will listen to a simple and natural conversation.
So stay with us and enjoy learning English step by step.
Hi, Sarah. We are finally here at the restaurant.
Yes, Adam, it looks nice and clean. I like this place already.
Me too. I am very hungry today.
Same here. I did not eat lunch, so I am very excited.
Look, the waiter's coming.
Yes, let's greet him politely.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
We would like a table for two, please.
Yes, a table for two.
I hope we can sit somewhere comfortable.
Yes, I prefer a quiet place.
Do you like sitting near the window?
Yes, I love window seats. We can see outside.
That sounds nice. I also like fresh air.
But inside is also okay if it is more comfortable.
Yes, I agree. Comfort is important.
Oh, look, that table near the window is empty.
Yes, I see it. It looks perfect.
I hope we can sit there.
Let's ask. Excuse me, can we sit near the window?
Yes, that table looks nice.
Great, thank you. Let's go.
This place feels very calm and relaxing.
Yes, I like the atmosphere.
The lights are soft and the music is nice.
Let's sit down.
Yes, this chair is comfortable. I am really hungry now. Me too. I can't wait to eat. What kind of food do you feel like eating today? Maybe something light and tasty. What about you? I want something hot and spicy. That sounds good. Maybe we can try something new.
Yes, trying new food is always fun.
Oh, the waiter is bringing the menus. Great, now we can see the food options. Thank you for the menu.
Yes, thank you. The menu looks interesting.
Yes, there are many choices.
I hope the food is as good as it looks. I think it will be delicious. I am feeling happy and excited now.
Me too. This is going to be a nice meal.
Sarah, I am looking at the menu, but I feel a little confused.
That's okay, Adam. Menus can be tricky sometimes. What do you not understand?
There are many new names here. I don't know what these dishes are.
No problem. I can help you. Let's read it together.
Okay, thank you. What is this grilled chicken platter?
It is chicken cooked on a grill, usually served with vegetables and rice or fries.
Oh, that sounds simple. I think I might like that.
Yes, it is a good choice if you want something safe and tasty.
What about this pasta Alfredo?
It is pasta with a creamy white sauce, usually made with milk, butter, and cheese.
I like cheese, but I am not sure about creamy food.
That's okay. You can choose something lighter. What do you like to eat? I like spicy food and fresh salads.
Oh, look, there is a chicken salad here.
Yes, that is usually light and healthy. It has vegetables and grilled chicken.
That sounds good for you.
Yes, I think I will like it.
What about this beef burger?
That is a sandwich with beef, bread, and some vegetables. It is very popular.
I like burgers, but sometimes they are too heavy.
True, they can be a bit heavy.
Let's check the ingredients. I want to know what is inside.
Good idea. You can also ask the waiter if needed.
This grilled chicken says it has spices, herbs, and lemon.
That sounds fresh and tasty.
Yes, I think I will enjoy that.
Great choice.
The prices are also important. This one is a bit expensive.
Yes, some dishes cost more than others.
The pasta is cheaper than the grilled chicken.
Yes, but choose what you really want to eat, not just the price.
You're right. I want something I will enjoy.
Exactly. Food should make you happy.
What about drinks?
There are juices, soda, and tea. What do you like?
I like fresh juice. It feels healthy.
Good choice. I think I will take tea.
So, what are you going to order?
I think I will order the chicken salad and a cup of tea.
That sounds nice and light.
Yes, perfect for me.
I will order the grilled chicken platter with juice.
That sounds like a great meal.
I feel less confused now. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome, Adam. I'm happy to help.
Now I am excited about the food.
Me too. Everything looks delicious.
I think we made good choices.
Yes, I agree. Let's get ready to order.
Excuse me, waiter. Could you please come here?
Yes, we are ready to order now.
I think he is coming.
Great. Let's order our food.
Hello, we would like to place our order.
Yes, we have decided what we want.
I would like the grilled chicken platter, please.
And I would like the chicken salad, please.
That's all for food for me.
I have a small request for my salad.
Yes, Sarah, you can tell him.
Could you please add less dressing to my salad?
That's a good idea.
And also, can you make it a little spicy?
She likes spicy food a lot.
Yes, I really enjoy spicy flavors.
For me, everything is fine as it is.
He prefers simple and mild food.
Now let's talk about drinks.
Yes, what would you like to drink?
I would like a glass of fresh orange juice.
That sounds refreshing.
What about you?
I would like a cup of hot tea, please.
That's a good choice.
Yes, I like tea with my meal.
So our order is complete.
Yes, I think we are done.
Let me repeat our order to be sure.
Good idea. It helps avoid mistakes.
1 grilled chicken platter and 1 chicken salad.
Yes, and don't forget the special request.
Right, the salad with less dressing and a bit spicy.
Exactly.
And for drinks, 1 orange juice.
And 1 hot tea.
Everything sounds correct.
Yes, I think it's perfect.
I hope the waiter understood everything clearly.
If not, we can correct it.
That's true. It's important to be clear.
Yes, clear communication is very important.
I feel more confident ordering in English now.
That's great. You did very well.
Thank you. I am learning step by step.
Practice makes everything easier.
Now we just wait for the food.
Yes, I'm excited to taste it.
Me too. I'm really hungry now.
Same here. I hope it comes soon.
Oh, our food is here. It looks really delicious.
Yes, everything looks fresh and nicely prepared.
Let me taste the grilled chicken.
Sure, tell me how it is.
Wow, it tastes very good. The chicken is soft and full of flavor.
That's great to hear. Let me try my salad.
How is your salad?
It's really nice. The vegetables are fresh and the taste is light.
Is it spicy like you wanted?
Yes, just a little spicy. It's perfect for me.
I like my dish too. It's hot and well cooked.
The presentation is also very nice.
Yes, the food quality is good.
I agree. This restaurant serves tasty food.
I think I need some extra sauce.
You can ask the waiter.
Excuse me, could I have some extra sauce, please?
And can we also get some water?
Yes, I feel a bit thirsty.
Same here. Water will be good.
Thank you for the sauce.
And thank you for the water.
Now my food tastes even better with this sauce.
That's nice. Small things can improve the taste.
What is your favorite part of your meal?
I really like the chicken pieces in my salad. They are soft and flavorful.
For me, the grilled chicken is the best.
It looks very tasty.
Maybe next time you can try it.
Yes, I would like to try it in the future.
I am feeling full now.
Me too. It was a satisfying meal.
Should we ask for the bill?
Yes, I think we are done eating.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Yes, we would like to pay now.
Do you want to pay cash or card?
I think I will pay by card. What about you?
I have cash, so I can pay my part in cash.
That's fine. We can split the bill.
This was a really nice experience.
Yes, I enjoyed the food and the place.
The service was also good.
Yes, the staff was polite and helpful.
I would like to come here again.
Me too. Maybe next time we can try different dishes.
That sounds like a great idea.
Yes, I'm already looking forward to it.
Thank you for listening to English Podcast Home.
We hope you learned useful English for real life.
Keep practicing and improve your speaking every day.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.